Say hi. Say hi. Hi everybody. I'm Damien Osborne and this is Silas. Sorry Silas, you don't want to be here. Okay, go. Welcome to my final wrap-up video on this figure painting. And unfortunately I didn't get to film all the whole process of this painting. I just thought it would take too long and I just wanted to get it done. I mean, I did start this painting a year ago, which is not what I normally do. I normally take much quicker to do a painting. So it's been an interesting year for me as an artist, an interesting introspective period, and I feel like I've really been growing and finding my direction more and just focusing more on painting, and I haven't really been on social media very much. And just a lot of writing, a lot of painting, but I'll just quickly talk about this painting and wrap this up. So please keep a lookout for my next project that I'm going to be working on. So what I basically did here was I decided that the flesh it needed a bit more brightness, so I built it up more, added a lot of layers. I did a lot more glazing of her hair and of her dress. What else did I do? I added a lot more detail to her face. And the reason why I added the bluebells and the butterflies is because they mean something to the lady who commissioned the painting. So I changed the colour of the window shutters quite a few times. I was inspired by Vermeer's paintings and therefore decided to add these tiles on the floor and to create more of a perspective. I hope this video helps you out. I'm sorry that there's a few chunks missing from the process, but if you have any questions, please shoot me a message. Cool. Come. Come. Yeah. Come. Come be in the picture. Come on. Come on. Yes. 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 Okay. Do you want to be in the picture? Look, look. Look there. Look at the camera. Look. Hey. Say goodbye, Silas. Say goodbye. Okay.